Hey guys. Okay, good. I have you guys set up. I kind of have you guys held up by a Lego ship that I made earlier. I don't have a video on that, just so you know. Today I'm going to be showing you a new gun that I got. Sorry, that is my sister. I don't know if you can see her, but she is being a butthole. So the new gun I got is called the Tri-Strike. This is the base gun. This is what it has. So it's pump action. It's kind of loud. When you cock it, the jam door's up here. It doesn't like flick open. You actually push it back and it slides in, and then you fix your jam, and then that it can fit any mag. It has a barrel attachment, a tactical rail, and then a stock attachment. So this is what the Tri-Strike comes with. It comes with a mega front attachment. You put a mega dart in here. Put a mega dart in here. And so you shoot it. You can see through it. And you just pump it. The harder you pump, the harder it shoots. And then, so this is the only thing it comes with for the barrel. Then you put it on the barrel. And that's what it looks like. And then it comes with a missile launcher stock, which I'm putting on right now. I have carved my missile so it looks like an arrow. And then it shoots, and to launch the missile, you extend it. And you do that. And then, now the last thing, the magazine. It comes with a 10 dart magazine. This magazine is not fully loaded. It has 7 darts. And then this is what the finished blaster looks like. And now it is time for a test. So, just need to grab all my bullets that I shot. My mega modulus. And so, I'm just quickly loading up my magazine. And now I have it reloaded. You kind of have to watch the video right now. Here, I'll turn you towards my target. It's kind of small, but it's made out of a brown and red Sharpie. Sorry, that's my water cup. Trying to get something to set you up. Set you guys up. This target right here, not this one. This is for a different gun. But this is the one I use. All these red dots on here are all from my other guns. My other gun that I've shot. I put marker on the tip to see where they shot. That gun was very inaccurate. is the end of this video. And there is one more thing that I want to show you guys. Fudge. I just dropped you guys on my foot. There's Bailey. Wrong way. I got new Xbox 360. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right there it says so, right there. But it just opened. And then, I got two remotes. I have this black wireless one. I have a white one in my bag. And then now my games. So I have The Walking Dead Season 2. As you can see, that's Clementine with some zombies behind her. And her screwdriver in her hand. We have Call of Duty Modern Warfare. I have Skyrim. Ow, I just dropped my other game. I have Red Dead Redemption. Far Cry 3. Grand Theft Auto. And then that's it. And I also got this. The Fifth Wave. It's a movie, and the author is Rick Vancey. If you've already read this one, you might want to read The Infinite Sea and The Last Star. If you live in Wisconsin, you can find that in a Barnes & Noble near Milwaukee or Madison. In the Barnes & Noble in Madison, you can find every one of these books. You can find The Fifth Wave, The Infinite Sea, and The Last Star. And so, I've been reading The Fifth Wave for a little bit now. That is pretty much the end of the video. And then I also have two Steves over here. I have a full diamond Steve with diamond armor, full diamond armored Steve, except for the helmet, which is on my other Steve, which is supposed to have an iron chest plate and an iron helmet. But I gave him the diamond helmet, and I gave him the iron helmet. And then he has a stone pickaxe, I think it's stone. And then a diamond sword. And then so after that,
and guess what? We have live music. You guys think we should join them?
we are heading to a different room. Right now, I just have you guys covered up. Boom.
On our way to dinner, someone got us a little lost. You should have seen our faces when we made a wrong turn and ended up in the theater. This does not look like the restaurant.
Actually, you're on stage at Frozen, a musical spectacular.
So you can let it snow?
Watch this.
Oh.